All right, my friends, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video, guys, we are going to be talking about the LiqFinity airdrop. All right, so LiqFinity airdrop is just a lending protocol that actually allows you to actually borrow cryptocurrency and just normal blending and borrowing. All right, so but currently they are currently on their testnet phase. Right now, you actually stand a chance of participating on their testnet and getting the airdrop, which is coming very soon. It is totally free. It won't cost you anything. All you have to do right now is to simply pay close attention to the video and make sure you watch it till the end, guys. So right now, guys, make sure you watch the video till the end. Do not skip any part, as I'll be giving you guys the full detail and the full breakdown about how you can be able to participate on the LiqFinity testnet right now. Okay, so I'm crypto mechanic, and on this channel, guys, I provide you guys information about cryptocurrency, airdrops, and I also expose you to a whole lot of chances of you making money on this crypto space. And also we do run token giveaway to our community. So if you're watching a video right now, you actually stand a chance of earning yourself free token coins, but simply by going below the video you're watching right now and getting to subscribe to our YouTube channel just like this. Then you click on this bell icon and select all, so that anytime we post any new video, you'll be notified immediately. After that, guys, you go ahead and give us a thumbs up, then you share the video to any social media platform for choice, then you put your comment on the comment section, because from the comment section is where we of course pick our winner. So right now, let's go back into the business of the day. So this is the Twitter account or the X handle of the LiqFinity. Okay, so over here you can see they are the first DeFi lending protocol featuring AI agent, Quant, Sentinel AI, 100% LTV loan, and no liquidation risk. So right now, guys, they are actually at their testnet phase. They haven't yet launched their mainnet. So right now, guys, let me teach you how you participate on their testnet. Looking down right here, you can see this post was actually made 5 days ago. They say the moment you have been waiting for. Okay, so you can see testnet version 2 is live, and they give you this link to actually use and participate on the airdrop. The link is going to be dropped on the video description of this video, so check it out to copy the link from there. After that, you go ahead and you can see visit our platform, test it out, and compete on the leaderboard. So right now we are going to be doing it right about now. So I'm going to be using my Mrs. browser. If you don't know Mrs. browser, go to your Play Store or Apple Store, download Mrs. browser. Make sure that you have already make sure you install MetaMask extension or any other wallet on it. You can also use your MetaMask wallet application to participate on it. All you have to do is simply copy the link from the video description, then paste it on the browser section of the wallet or the browser you are using to get started. So right now that I've already got the link, what I need to do right now is simply go to my browser like this. I'm actually using Mrs. browser. So what I need to do right now is simply come over here to the search bar and of course paste the link that I have just copied right now. And once you paste the link, then you go ahead and of course search for it. It is very simple and very easy, as I'm doing it right now. So this is going to be opening up their platform right now, and what you need to do from here is quite so simple. So what you need to do from here is simply go ahead and of course input your email and your password to actually log into your account. But if you do not have an account yet, you go ahead and of course click on create one like this. And over here, guys, you need to actually input your email address and confirm your email, and of course you input password. Over here, guys, I have to input my email over here real quick like this. Then over here I need to actually confirm my email according to them. And right now, guys, the next thing I need to do right here is simply input my password. Then I will click on this box right here to actually verify that I am a human. So right now I'm going to be doing it real quick. And right now, guys, after creating an account, right now you are going to be prompted to actually log into your account. You click on this right now, then you have to actually log into your account by inputting the your email and your password. Right now, guys, you need to allow this to verify that you are actually a human. And once it opens up, you click on it like this, then it will verify. You click on login right now. So once you log in, this is the first thing that you're going to be greeted with. You can see welcome to LiqFinity testnet. Right now, guys, you have been given 1 Bitcoin, 1 Litecoin, 1 Ethereum, and so many other coins that you can actually use to participate on this airdrop. And they went ahead to tell you that if you run out of coin to actually participate, you can simply visit their faucet to actually claim more test token. Right now, what are test token? Test token are the tokens that you can actually use to participate on testnet. They hold no value. They are just there for you to use and participate on the testnet. You cannot withdraw it. You cannot make use of it. It is just like an untouchable money, invincible money that you are seeing, but you cannot make use of. So right now we click on start testnet like this. So this is going to be opening up the main dashboard, and you can see right here, this is our portfolio. And right now, guys, let's talk about how you can be able to get the point that will be later converted to your airdrop. So to be able to get the points, I need you to click over here, guys, on this tray line over here, three dots. When you click on it, then you scroll down and you click on leaderboard. So over here, guys, on leaderboard, this is where your point shows up, and this is where your rank is showing up. I'm obviously the last person to join this project currently at the time of making this video, and of course this is where your point counts right here. And of course, when you scroll down, you can see this is how you get your points. When you for every dollar that you actually loan, you get 0.05 points for it, and for every $1,000 you get 50 points and 100 points. If 50 points for every $1,000, and also 10 points every hour. And for over here staking, you can just go ahead and read it up to actually understand how your points are being calculated. So then again, when you scroll down again, you can see these are the people that are topping up. Let's talk about how you can be able to get the points right now. So when you click on this three dots again, you click on borrow like this, and over here, guys, on borrow, this is where you need to actually borrow some token, which you can then that's just the process of participating on the testnet, obviously. So over here, guys, these are your collateral. So what you need to do from here is simply scroll down to this collateral, you come over here, you click on borrow. Okay, so then guys, you have clicked on borrow, you can go ahead to actually borrow everything right here. So simply, or let's just start with 75%. I will click on 75% right now. Then I have to I'm going to be paying 0.76 Litecoin as the collateral. Then right now I need to click on borrow. It is very simple like this, and right now you can see right now I need to actually confirm this. I'll click on confirm, and right now, guys, once you click on confirm, you can see I have successfully borrowed this right now, guys. So I'll be repeating the same process on all this one right now, after which we are going to be going to the next step. So when I click on this three dots again, what I need to do is simply go on provide liquidity right now. So right now over here, guys, on the provide liquidity section, you need to simply come over here, you provide liquidity just like you do on DeFi. So over here, guys, you click on lock, and once you click on lock, you need to actually lock some token right here to actually provide liquidity. I will click on 75% to lock some certain amount of USDT, testnet USDT. Actually, you click on lock, and right now you are going to be providing the liquidity by just confirming this little transaction right here. And right now we are done now providing the liquidity. I will click on done, and once you click on done, you can see that you have now provided liquidity. You need to actually repeat this process over so many times before you can be able to earn a reasonable amount of points. So when you scroll down again, you are going to be seeing referrals right here. When you click on referral over here, guys, this is where you actually refer people using your own personalized referral code right here. And once you send this link to your family and your friends, you are going to be earning 10% of the fee generated by your own referred users. Okay, and over here, this is where you track the number of referrals and the fee that have been generated from them. You can also go ahead and of course do your research about this project to find out more information about it before you can be able to jump into it, guys. So when you go to leaderboard right now, let's see if their balance have been updated right now. Okay, right now you can see that none of the point is reflecting here yet. I need you to understand that this is going to take time to reflect your point, as it is going to be updating every 24 hours. All right, so this is very simple, and this is all you need to know about LiqFinity airdrop, guys. So past like this, so make sure you participate on this airdrop, as we are expecting something very massive from them. Thank you for watching the video. I believe you got a value from this video. Thank you for subscribing and liking this video. I will talk to you guys on my next video that is going to be dropping very soon. Peace out, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.